Do you love supervillains? Well, you're going to love this next recipe. Nyam Nyam's going to show you how to make supervillain Cakesicles. That's right, with all your favourite supervillain characters, including Bane, Two-Face, Reverse Flash, and the Joker. But be warned, if you lay them all out together, oh, this might happen. Oh, that hurt. Ow! Oh my gosh! Oh well, never mind. Right, you need 400 grams of butter cake and 200 grams of cream cheese. That was easy, right? Mix it all together till it's a mushy dough. Stick that aside, then melt 100 grams of white chocolate. Add food colouring for your desired character. Now pour your melted white chocolate into your cake popsicle mould, filling it halfway, then chill it for 30 minutes. When it's set, you can add in your cake mixture. Put in a popsicle stick and then cover it to seal it off with more melted white chocolate. Couldn't be easier, could it? Just chill that for another 30 minutes and it's done, ready to decorate. Add your fondant icing to create your favourite character. Wham! There you go. You can really have fun with this. And you don't have to use fondant icing, by the way. You could use Smarties, jelly beans, anything really that will help you design the design of your life. Two-Face, that should be fun. Which is your favourite supervillain character? Reverse Flash, Joker, Bane, or Two-Face? Oh no, not this again. Hey, guys, cut it out. We'll eat you all.